Hot and wet tropical rainforest. A tropical rainforest is found in warm areas near the equator. A tropical rainforest has heavy rain all year round. A tropical rainforest is hot and humid all the time. The trees in the rainforest are very tall with a thin bark. Many strange and unique plants live in the tropical rainforest, like the insect-eating pitcher plant. Half of the world's plant and animal types live in the tropical rainforest. Orangutans, sloth bears, red-eyed tree frogs, jaguar, boas, and poison dart frogs are some of the animals that live here. There are more bugs in the tropical rainforests than any other kind of animal. Tropical rainforest is home to some giant bugs like poisonous giant centipede, giant red bug, rainforest insects, and some beautiful butterflies. Birds that live in the rainforest are macaws, parrots, cocktails, and hornbills. Many birds visit the warm tropical rainforest in the winter. Tropical rainforests make about half of the world's oxygen. Many tribes live in a tropical rainforest that have never seen the outside world. Look at the world map to see where you can find a tropical rainforest. Bye-bye.